Welcome CRM crew, my name is Nick and in today's quick tutorial I'm going to be explaining how to create a landing page in HubSpot CRM. So once you log into HubSpot CRM, of course you'll come to the home screen. Now in order to create a landing page, it's really simple. All we need to do is go to the marketing option up the top left hand corner here, use the drop down menu and then go to landing pages. Select landing pages and as you can see, responsive landing pages built to convert, and we can create 20 landing pages for free. So this is the free version of HubSpot CRM. And then if you want to start, go ahead, press the get started button. Once we do that, we then need to give our page or our landing page a name. So I'm of course going to call it test, but obviously you want to give it something that is applicable to the landing page. I'm going to then create the page and let that load up. And now as you can see here, we have to select from a template option. Scroll down, there are a good few templates, easy to make a decision, they're not overly complicated. I'm just going to use this one as our example today. So I'll select that template and then just press select template. You can press preview if you'd like to have a look, but like I said, select template, and then as you can see here we have a number of design features and different options that we can use to customize our landing page. So I'm not going to go over it all because it is really quite simple. Have a play around, it's all design based, it's all drag and drop. You can do a number of different things, so you can add common modules like buttons, icons, dividers, meetings, etc. Content, you can add image, rich text, forms, and then design as well. You can change the typography and the forms and buttons like the colors, etc. So it really is so simple, and you've got the desktop option and the mobile option as well. If you go back here, you can make those changes. Unfortunately, because this is again the free version, the changes that you can make on the mobile type is limited, unfortunately. Now if you head over to the settings option up the top here, we have to give our page a title. The page title is required to publish your page. This is what it's going to look like, so I'll call it test, of course. And then that's the domain. As you can see here, if I was paying for the HubSpot CRM, I could connect a custom domain, so I'd use my www.crmcrew.co.uk and then /test. Then you can add a meta description as well and enable featured image. Choose or upload an image to be used when sharing your page on social media. So I'm sure if you've ever got a message on WhatsApp or something like that and the image pops up as well, like on YouTube, that is what that is. So that's all really simple stuff. And then we can go to the optimize option next, and this is where you can just make things a little bit more friendly, change a few things around if you so wish. As you can see here, it gives you pointers. Your meta description appears under the page title in search results. So have a play around with these. Again, there's a lot to do. It is really simple stuff. And then finally, go to your publishing options at the top, and you can decide whether you'd like to publish the landing page now, and it's used, and you can just copy and paste and then send it or connect it, or you can schedule it for later. And if you do, you can select when you would like to release the page. So let's say you're doing I don't know, for example, maybe a shoe release or something, and you want the sign up to be at this particular time, and they've got to put in an email. This might be the way to do it. As an example, there's a whole host of different options. And once you're happy with when you've scheduled it, just press the schedule button up the top right hand corner here, and then you need to confirm that you can schedule the page now. Once you've done so, it is then scheduled, and you can see here that you now have created your first landing page, and this will give you all your metrics as the landing page goes live and people are subscribing, etc. Now if we head back, pressing the back button up the top left hand corner here, we've got obviously our landing page. If we had multiple, we would have a list, and then you can edit it, clone it, and we've got a few more options: view, details, move to folder, archive, and delete. So it's really simple. Creating a landing page is really easy, and it's really useful to use with HubSpot. It makes things so much easier to do and manage your email list, etc. So that's how to manage, or that's how to create a landing page in HubSpot CRM. I hope this video has clearly explained how to create a landing page in HubSpot CRM. If you do have any further questions, please drop me an email. My details are in the description below. Otherwise, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you shortly in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.